Hi students, just by seeing the thumbnail you came to know about which topic you are going to learn in this session. Exactly, that is only about trick to find square of a 4-digit number. Okay students, if you have a number of 4 digits, how can we find out the square of that number? So these 7 rules you have to apply to that 4-digit number one by one. Just I'll explain to you. First of all, let us take the example to find the square of the 4-digit number. Here is the example what I have taken: 3846 whole square. Okay, so in this first point, so already I told you here 7 points you have to study about these 7 points. Okay, one by one let us apply these 7 points to this number. Right, here is 3846. First of all, take first digit from RHS. RHS nothing but right hand side. So this is LHS from left to right. This is RHS from right to left. Okay, take the first number, first digit from RHS, or else last digit from LHS. So let us take the first step here. First step, take the first digit from RHS. Nothing but here 6 is the first digit. So okay, and take this first digit from RHS, you have to square it. So here is 6 we have, so 6 into 6, 36 we got the answer. This is about first step. So this 36 I am going to write here 36, that is basing upon first rule. Right. Now coming to second rule, take last 2 digits and multiply them and double the number. Okay, here is the second point. What we have to do, take the last 2 digits. Here last 2 digits are 4 and 6. We have to multiply them. So 4 6 are 24. After that what we have to do, double the number. Double the number, nothing but we have to multiply with 2. So 48. So this 48 we have the second number here basing upon second rule. This is first rule. The number is 36 here. And coming to third one, third rule, here I have written multiply the numbers of third and first digit. So let us see now third and first. So from right to left I am counting these numbers, students. Third number and first number. This is third rule. Multiply the numbers of third and first. So here 8 into 6 we have. This is third digit from right to left, and this is 6. 8 6 48 and double it. So into 2, 96. This is first number, nothing but x, first number. And second step, write the square of the middle number. Here students 846, here is the middle number is 4. So 4 square you need to write here. 4 square is 16. This 16 is the second number. Now you have to add these two numbers. Now take x plus y. So x is the first number and y is the second number. By squaring the middle number, that is only y. By adding these two, you got here 612, 112. Okay students, and this 112 is the third number what we have here. Up to now 3 steps completed. First step 36 we got, in second step 48 we got, in third step 112 we got. Let us go for the fourth step. What we have to do in step 4. In step 4, multiply the both ending numbers. So here ending numbers are 3 and 6. Okay, so 6 into 3. 6 into 3, that is 18, and double the answer. Here is 18. Double means you have to multiply with 2. So 18 2s 36. So this is first number, nothing but x. So in the answer, that is first number, nothing but x. In second step, what we have to do? Multiply the middle two numbers and double it. So middle two numbers means what we have here? 8 and 4. Okay. Then we have to multiply them. 8 into 4. Double the number means 64. We got it. So students, this is the second number, nothing but y. Now what we have to do? We should add these two. Now x plus y, we have to do it. Now 36 plus 64, that is 100. Now in case of fourth case, we got this number 100. Okay. Now this is about fourth rule. And now let us see rule number 5. What we have to do? Rule number 5. Leave the unit digit. Unit digit nothing but ones place. Consider the 3-digit number. Okay students, if you leave this 6, this is fifth rule. If you leave this 6 and we have 3-digit number 384. Now what we have to do? 3-digit number, okay. In this, multiply the both corner numbers and double it. Multiply the both corner numbers, nothing but 3 into 4. So 12, and we have to double it. That means 24. This is number 1. The first number, nothing but x. Second step, what we have to do? Now square of the middle number only square of the middle number. There is no need of multiplying with 2. This is only second number. Square of the middle number means 8. 8 square, 8 into 8, 64. This 64 is second number, nothing but y. After getting x and y values, you have to add both of them. So x plus y. Now we have to do that. Here is the x value 24 and y value 64. Now 88. So this is fifth step. So here that number you have to write 88. Step number 5. In step 6. Now in step 6. First 2-digit numbers you have to consider. Multiply and double the answer. Here first 2 digits means 3 and 8. So 3 into 8, 24. And if you double this number, 48. So this 48 is the next answer. You have to write it down here. 48. According to rule 6. Now coming to rule 7. Finally write the square of the first digit. Here in this number, the first digit is 3. Now the square of the first digit is 3 square means 9. So that 9 you have to write here again. So 9 according to rule number 7. So after doing this, what we have to do? From rule 1, we got the number 36. Here you can take the number 6, only the first digit. So 6 you have to write here. After that 3 is left over. So this 3 is carried forward. Then 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3 is 51. This 1 you have to write here. Then again this 5 is carried forward towards this 112. 112 plus 5. Then how much? 117. In this 117, at this unit place you have to consider, you have to write here. Then 11 is left over. This 11 is carried forward towards 100. 100 plus 11. So 111. Here 1 is in units place. So that 1 you have to write here. Again 11 is left over. That 11 is carried forward. 11, 88 plus 11, that should be 99. Here is in 9 in the units place. So that 9 you have to consider. This 9 again carried forward towards 48. 48 plus 9, 57. So Here 48 plus 9 is equal to 57. Here also same, in the units place number you have to consider. So I have written here. Then here 5 is left over. This 5 is carried forward towards this 9. Then students, 9 plus 5, 14. This 14 directly you should write here. So students, this is the answer of the square of the number 3846 whole square is equal to. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, then it's very easy. If you remember these tricks, 7 tricks, if you apply to that number, then you came to know how to find the square of a 4-digit number just on your fingertips. Okay, I'll tell you another example, then you will have a clear-cut idea. Here is the number what I have taken, 9867 whole square. So let us apply these 7 rules to this number, then only we can find easily the square of this number. In first rule, what we have done in the previous one, take first digit from RHS. Here is the first digit is 7. So simply you can write that 7 into 7, that is 49. Okay, that is the answer. 49 you have to write in the corner. So 49 according to rule number 1. Coming to second rule, what we have to do, take last 2 digits and multiply them and double the number. Take last 2 digits means here 6 and 7. So you need to do multiplication. 6 into 7, 42. You need to double them. Double it means 42 into 2, 84. So this 84 according to rule number 2. Rule number 2 you have to write it down. 84. Second rule. Number 3. Third rule. Multiply the numbers of third and first digit. So third and first means here 3, 8 and 7. 8 into 7. Third and first digits and double it. So 8 sevens, 56 into 2, 112. We have to double it. This is only first one, that is only x here. X. Okay. Write the square of the middle number. Here let us consider the middle number. Middle number is 6 here only. If you consider 867, that is the entire number, then the middle number is 6 here. Now 6 into 6 you have to write down. So 36. Now if you add this 36 to 112, you got 148. So this the number. This is 2 and this is x plus y. So this 148 according to rule 3. Now we have to apply rule 4. Multiply the both end numbers and double the answer. Okay, according to rule 4. Multiply the both ending numbers means here 9 is the ending number and 7 is the ending number. 9 sevens are 63 and double the number means into 2. That's 126. This is number 1, first number, nothing but x. And in this only second step, multiply the middle 2 numbers and double it. Middle 2 numbers 8 and 6. Here we have 8 into 6. So 48 and double the number means into 2. So 96. So this is second number, nothing but y. If you add these two, we got 222. That is the answer. We have to write it down. 222 according to rule number 4. Now rule number 5. Let us see rule number 5. Leave the unit digit. Consider the 3-digit number. Leave the unit digit means here we can ignore 7, 9, 8, 6 we have. In rule number 5, 9, 8, 6. In this, what we have to do? Multiply both the corner numbers and double it. Both the corner numbers means 9 into 6. So 54 into 2, that is 108. Now square of the middle number. Here is the middle number is 8. So 8 into 8, 64. Now if you add 64 plus 108 is equal to 172. Okay, and this is number 1 x and this is y value, and this 172 you should write here 172 according to rule number 5. Now let us see rule number 6. First two digits multiply double the number. Here is the first two digits 9 and 8. So according to rule 6, 9 into 8, 72 into 2. 144 is the answer. Now this 144 according to rule 6 we have to write here 144. Now last rule, finally write the square of the first digit. Here is the first digit what we have 9. So 9 square is equal to 9 into 9. So 81. This is according to rule number 7. Directly you should write here 81 rule 7. Now what we have to do? Just observe clearly what I am going to do. According to first rule we got the number 49. Here is in the units place 9, you should take 9, and this 4 is left over, this is carried forward to 84. 84 plus 4, so 88. You should write here only this 8. Again 8 is left over, this is carried forward to 148 plus 8 here. How much? 156. This 6 we have to write here. This 15 is left over, this is carried forward towards 222 plus 15. 222 plus 15, 237. In this 7 we have to consider this 23, again carried forward 172 plus 23, that is 195. In this 195, 5 you have to write here, and this 19 carried forward 19, that should be 163. So that 3 you have to write here, 16 again carried forward towards 81. So how much? We have here 97. Directly you should write here that number 97. So 97, 35, 76, 89. So this is the final answer of just a square of 9867 whole square. 9867, that is the answer. Okay, these are the steps. Okay students, let us see the next example. Then these 7 rules will be on your fingertips. Okay, if it is possible, better to copy students. These are all 7 rules, then only you may feel very easy, or else you may get confused. Find the square of 6723. Okay, 6723 whole square. To this you have to apply these 7 rules. What about the first rule? Just take the first digit, you have to square it. So 3 square, that should be 9. So simply you can write here, I am going to write here in this corner 9 according to first rule. And second, take the last 2 digits and multiply them and double them. So 23 we have. 23 means multiply means 2 into 3, 6. Now double it means 6 into 2, 12. This 12 we can write here according to second rule. Right. In third step, multiply the numbers third and first. Here third and first means 7 and 3. So 7 into 3, 21, and double it means 42. This is x. In second step, write the square of the middle number. Here middle number is 2. 2 square is equal to 4. This 4 is y. Now 42 plus 4. So 44. This 44. Sorry, here 42 plus 4, 46 is the third rule. According to rule number 4, multiply both ends of the numbers. So here 6 is the ending number and 3 is the ending number. 6 and 3. 18 and double the number means 18 into 2. 36 is x here. Now multiply the middle two numbers and double it. Middle two numbers 7 and 2. 14 double it means 14 into 2. 28. So here is the number 64 we got from rule number 4. So 64 directly you have to write here, rule number 4. Coming to rule number 5, leave the unit digit. Consider 3-digit number. Leave the unit digit means 3 we have to leave and 672 we got. Now multiply the both corner numbers and double it. Both corner numbers means 6 into 2. 12. Double it means 24 is x. Now square the middle number. 7. 7 into 7. 49. This is y. Now x plus y is equal to 49 plus 24. This 73 from rule 5. So this 73 directly I am going to write here 73 from rule number 5. Now coming to rule number 6, very easy. First two digits you have to multiply and double the answer. So first two digits 6 and 7. 6 into 7. 42 into 2. 84. So this 84 from rule number 6 directly we can write here 84 from rule 6. And last finally write the square of the first digit. Here is the first digit is 6. So in the 7th step, square of 6 is 36. 7th rule. This 36 directly we should write here. 7th rule. Now we have to focus on it. First number from rule 1 we got the number 9. So that 9 is the single digit number. Directly we can write here that 9. So now here is 12. So this unit digit if you write here 2 and this 1 is carried forward, 46 plus 2 is 48. Sorry, here 1 only carried forwarding, okay, 1. So 47. This 7 you have to write here. Now this 4 is carried forward. 64 plus 4, 68. Now in this 68, 8 only you have to write here. This 6 again carried forward towards 73. Now 73 plus 6, 79. In this 79, 9 you have to write here. This 7 is carried forward. So 84 plus 7, 91 here. So 1 we are writing here. 9 is carried forward towards 36. Now 36 plus 9 is 45. So 45 directly you can write here. This is the answer. So if you square the number 6723, then you got the answer 45198729. Okay, right. This is about today's session. How to find square for a 4-digit number. Here 3 examples I have explained to you. Okay students, these are the 7 rules. You have to apply that 4-digit number. You can copy these 7 rules and take number of examples, another examples excluding these examples. Okay, then you can understand this topic very easily. Thank you so much. If you understand this class, you can subscribe to this channel for my further updates. Please don't forget to click the bell icon also. Thank you so much students. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.